By now, you've probably heard about cryptocurrency, the digital money that has risen in major popularity over the last few years.
Everybody's talking about it. What exactly is it? And what do you need to know about this sometimes volatile form of currency? We're here to break it all down for us. Is ABC's Alexis Christoforous. Always good to see you, my friend.
Hey, guys, good to see you.
So what is cryptocurrency?
I know everybody's talking about it, but it's not new, believe it or not. Around for about 15 years, there were thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was the first and the largest, so it gets a lot of the attention. And I wish I could take it out of my pocket and show you, but I can't. Because as you said, it's a digital currency, so it's virtual. It was meant to be an alternative payment method to rival the dollar, so you could buy things with it. In addition to that, maybe even more than that, it's really become an investment tool for lots of folks. It's not backed by anything, not backed by the government or a bank, and it is still largely unregulated.
So how do you use cryptocurrency?
So by no means is it mainstream yet, but we're seeing people being curious about it, dabbling in it. 17% of Americans have now had some exposure to it. They've traded it, they've invested in it, they've used it to buy things. In terms of buying things, there are not a ton of things you can use this for in the real world. There are about a dozen companies right now that accept it as payment. So you can pay your phone bill with AT&T, for instance. You can buy movie theater tickets at AMC, Home Depot, Burger King. They accept it right now. And actually just today, some high-end fashion brands in Europe said they're thinking about taking it. I think these brands realize crypto's not going away. There's a certain cachet and forward-lookingness to saying, you know, we accept crypto.
So what are some of the other reasons that we're seeing crypto in the news now?
Oh boy. So I think a big reason and a big boost is because of Donald Trump. So just since Election Day, Bitcoin, we'll stick with that, up 50%. He has said he wants to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet. He used to be a big skeptic. He's now one of its biggest advocates. In fact, Donald Trump came out with his own Bitcoin or cryptocurrency venture shortly before the election. And he also wants to nominate a crypto-friendly head of the SEC. That's the watchdog of Wall Street. So the crypto industry believes they have a friend in Donald Trump, and they're going to get some friendly regulation. I also want to mention, though, meme coins, because they're gaining a lot of attention. I'm sure you've seen these. Dogecoin is the most popular one. Elon Musk came out with that a few years ago. Super volatile. They're based on nothing again. They start out as jokes. They're based on internet memes. And we saw one yesterday, rallied and then fell about 90% in just one day.
Yeah, that volatility is real when you look at these things.
You bet.
So, okay, if you are like curious about the crypto of it all and you want to dabble in it yourself, is it still possible for regular people to?
Absolutely, always possible, but there are a few caveats. So just on a pure numbers basis, we said it's up 50% Bitcoin since Election Day, but since the beginning of the year, up 150%. So if you put $1,000 in Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, that would now be $2,500. That's a really nice return. But oftentimes with big return comes, you know, big risk as well. So you want to go in with eyes wide open, understand that what you're dealing with, deal with a crypto platform that is, you know, regulated and one that you can trust. And, you know, a good saying is never invest more than what you are willing to lose. You know, what is your risk tolerance in all of this? We also have a 5-year chart. Just wanted to share this with all of you, just to show you where Bitcoin's been for the past 5 years, because it has been a roller coaster ride. There it is. So, you know, you have to sort of have an iron stomach for dealing with something like this.
And an iron heart as well.
Yeah, you better believe it. And, you know, by the way, I know it seems crazy. Bitcoin right now is over $100,000. You don't need $100,000 to buy it. You can buy a fraction of it. So you could buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. You can gift it to somebody for the holidays. You know, just say, put a little of that in your portfolio, see where it might take you. People have made a lot of money off it. People have also lost a lot of money.
Yeah, good thing to remember.
Name a chance, all right.
This is reporter Alexis Christoforous. Thank you so much for being with us today.